Hey guys, this is your attorney Brent Sibley, and this is a short video I'm making for my clients. Today's video is going to be about understanding how it works in a contingency attorney's fees contract, which is how all of our attorney's fees works, okay? The two main things to talk about are attorney's fees and attorney's costs. They're completely different, so make sure you're very careful when you use those terms, attorney's fees and attorney's costs. The attorney's fees are our income, how we make our money, how we survive as a company. Our fees are based on how much money we recover for you. They are based on the gross recovery. So the total amount of money that we collect from all the other people, usually it's just one person, but sometimes it's more than one person or more than one insurance company. We add up all the money that we collect for you in your case, and we take a percentage of that. If we do it without filing a lawsuit, we get 1/3. And if we do it after, if we collect the money after that we file the lawsuit for your case, it goes up 7% from 33%, a third, to 40%. That's how we survive and that's how we make our income. The other thing is the attorney's costs. Attorney's costs are actually money, cash, that we're spending out of our own bank account that we're investing into your case, basically like a loan. We know you have a good case. We want to get you paid. We want to be able to make a recovery for our own, selfish interest, and we think it's a good investment. So the first one is the police reports. A small investment, $20. Usually the first day we sign up your case, we download the police report. Next thing we might do is pay $100 for all of your medical bills from the emergency room. Next thing, we might pay $100 to get the MRI facility to send us the images. Then we pay for other medical records and other things. And if we have to hire an expert witness, like a doctor, to testify, we'll have to pay them. And there's a lot of things that we would have to do in order to push your case to get it to a point where we know we can win a trial if we have to go there. So those are the attorney's costs, and the way it works is that we invest our own money into your case. We keep a very clear, a balanced ledger of how much money we've spent on your case, and when the case is over, we get repaid that. So I just always use $100,000 settlement because it's a big number, a round number, and it makes it easy to do calculations. So if we're able to settle your case for $100,000, our attorney's fees, if we didn't file a lawsuit, would be $33,333. And let's say that we spent $1,000 on medical bills, police reports, and stuff like that. So our fees would be $33,333, and our cost would be $1,000. Then at the end of the case, the total amount of money that our law firm will be on the closing statement, you will get a closing statement which will show everything: the total gross settlement recovery, the total attorney's fees, the total attorney's costs. It'll also show your medical bills. But in this fact pattern that I'm describing to you, our firm will be getting $34,333 back into our bank account at the end of the case because of the attorney's fees that we earned and of the attorney's costs that we earned by working on your case. The cost is a repayment of a loan, and the fees is how we make our living and how we make our money. So I hope this explains it to you a little bit better, because a lot of people sometimes forget about the difference between fees and costs and how it's calculated. So attorney's fees and attorney's costs, the two most important things about how we get money at the end of the case. And at the end of the case, you will always get a full itemization of every single penny on your case, how it was spent, where it goes, and not until you sign that closing statement at the end can the money be moved from the attorney's trust account into all the other places that it goes: our account, your check, the doctors, the health insurance companies, all that stuff. So I hope this makes sense, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me directly or any of the paralegals working on your case. But thank you for watching. Brent Sibley, Sibley Dolman, client video.